Hey guys, look at this ice. This is very, very funny ice. Look, it's like these caps. Good morning guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be doing an interesting unboxing. I actually picked something up that's going to be perfect for any garage or studio. I think this is going to be actually perfect for my studio to keep me kind of cool, but I also think this is something that's going to be great in kitchens. And what it is you know how those 5-gallon jugs that kind of sit over there and you could make like cold water? Well, this does that, but it makes ice as well. So let's get to unboxing, guys. I picked this up on Amazon. So if you find this of interest and if you want to pick it up, you could click the link in the description below, but don't feel like you have to buy anything. Just watch my video. This is what I'm getting for my family, and you know, we're gonna like it. It is the summertime after all, and we need plenty of ice. So this is gonna achieve that for sure. So let's open this thing up. The very first thing I get is this. This is actually really cool. I could actually find a use for this. It's kind of like a square, padded square. Probably not a good idea to flip this, but we're gonna flip it. Let's flip it back. And pull this off. Pull this off. Let's get rid of the plastics. This is where you put the water gallon, the 5-gallon bucket. So it looks like we got the ice maker over here. Let's go ahead and pull this off. And there's something else I actually noticed while unboxing this, which is, if it is what I think it is, that's going to be really nice. So this is the ice bucket right here. So it's going to make about the same amount of ice that your refrigerator would make. It's got a nice spoon over here. There's also this sticker down there. Let's go ahead and actually get rid of it. So it's got like this thing that kind of goes up and down. This is if you want to, I guess, carry some ice and then, you know, scoop it out for your family. And then, yeah, looks like there's ice that's going to be coming from there. So let's go ahead and actually, well, so it does have water. What? This is awesome. Look at that. So this is where the water is going to be coming from. And then we got the water, we got the select, we got the on and off. Add water, and there's the power button, stuff like that. We do have the power cord. So let's go ahead and actually plug this in. It's got a bubble wrap connector, 3-prong type of switch. So this is actually on. So we turn it on right now. So water is working together with the motor. So that's so it looks like it's actually got medium ice, small ice, and we could select ice cubes. So looks like large, medium, and small ice cubes. So I don't know what that's all about. How would that really work? But we will leave it overnight and see what kind of ice we could actually produce. It is wrapped in this protective blue coating.
I've got to actually pull it off to expose the stainless steel accents. Wow, beautiful machine. Okay.
I'm going to stick it in here and close up the water. The water thing does have a thing that it closes, so that's kind of cool. Let me show you what I spotted. And if this is what I think it is, this is going to be quite awesome, because I believe this is a place where you could put a water thing to it. So I'm not 100% certain, unless this is some kind of water drain. That's what it looks like to me. So I will double check and see if it could be connected any other way. So, which means only one thing. You could hook up a water line if you have one, like an extra one. Same one that you have for your fridge. So it looks like very similar to what a fridge has. So now the final type of thing right here. I need to pull it off. Hey guys, this is very exciting. This is exactly what I wanted for my studio, because I don't have any water faucets over here. I don't have any of that kind of stuff, like, and I would like to drink water. So I would actually bring in sometimes like a gallon of water. Obviously it kind of gets hot in the day, and when I'm actually working and recording some videos and stuff like that, I would like to be chilled down a little bit, you know, with some ice and some water. Well, this has both. And I'm actually going to show you a place that I'm actually going to install it at. So I'm also going to grab a 5-gallon bucket of water. I'm going to install it in here. And I will tell you something. This here on the side, that is a water drain. So it is not a place where you could connect water. It is not a deal breaker, because this is not why I got it in the first place. And actually did not see it. It was not actually advertised. But you know what? I noticed a little thing. I pointed out. I want to make sure that you will know that it's there. That is to drain the water. I guess when the ice melts and you need to drain the water, hey, you could do that. But guess what, guys? I was right about the one thing. You can select the size of ice that you want. So you can have like large ice cubes, medium, and small. Have you ever seen large, medium, and the small ice cubes like in anything? Like, I've never actually seen it. Like, how did they actually come up with that? You know, I've never seen that. So I think that's actually really cool. I will select, like, I guess the small ice cubes. You know, there's gonna be a lot of small ice cubes. So by the time the morning hits, well, morning hits, it is morning right now, but I guess in a few hours, maybe in the daytime, I don't know how long it's going to take to make some ice cubes. I will show you. We're going to continue this, and you're not even going to know the difference, because I still will be here. And let's go ahead and set it up, guys. I'm actually very, very, very excited, you know, about it. So anyways, let's go ahead and actually install my ice maker. I'm going to set it down right here. This is a perfect place for it. And the extension cord is long enough for me to plug it in. So we're actually going to plug it in over here. And want to make sure that the cord is not going to be tangling on anything. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape on it. There you go. So it's time for me to bring a 5-gallon bucket with water, put it on here, and we're gonna start making some ice. Well, anyways, guys, I got the water plugged up over here. So let me show you a closer look. It is everything is working. I selected the smaller type of ice cubes like I wanted. Here's the water dispenser. And let's see if I could actually dispense some water. So right now it's priming. This is the first time I'm actually getting water out of it. So you could kind of hear it running in the background. And I feel that it did turn on the actual, compressor or whatever. So we are getting some water. So basically it's a pump action, guys. Once you set it up over here, you press it down, you wait till it starts priming, and then it starts going. And then you could hide it. This is the menus here. This is the on button right there. Here's where you select what kind of ice cubes. I want small ones. Then we could select the water right here. You press it and it comes out. So that's kind of cool. And of course, we could pull out our drawer when we have the ice, and it comes with a handle, so that's quite nice. And there you go. In case you guys are wondering what's all this other stuff, I did just make a video about this for you guys. This is my machine for making t-shirts. Well guys, while I was sitting here for 29 minutes, this did make some ice, and the ice looks very, very cool. Let me actually get some out. Hey guys, look at this ice. This is very, very funny ice. Look, it's like these caps. That's kinda awesome. The ice is kinda melting kinda quick, but they kinda look like bullets. It's kinda funny. It did cool down my drink a little bit. That's kinda amazing. I really like that the ice kinda looks like that, and actually makes it kinda quick. That's what I'm like really surprised. It's like, wow, it actually makes it very, very quick. The ice is pretty unique. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did in the comment section, and if you were planning to get this, let me know if this review and unboxing helped you in this little setup that I did. If let me know if you get it for your garage, your kitchen, because this would work great in the kitchen, especially if you have a lot of friends come over, because you're gonna be having ice in your fridge and in that machine over there, and then everybody's gonna be happy. Plus you could probably take it outside, with a bucket of ice, and have, set it down on the table and people could scoop it up. I think this is very convenient. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.